Hi, I want to introduce my simple recipe for rack of lamb. So I have 2 pounds of fresh rack of lamb. So you make sure you pat it dry with a paper towel before you season it. So after I pat it dry with my paper towel, I will season it with a little salt around my lamb and a little pepper. Now I am going to make the mixture of my glaze. So this is a half a cup of apricot preserve, and I'm going to mix it with crushed 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic. And I'll add 2 teaspoons of whole grain garlic mustard. Now I'm gonna add half a cup of dried thyme to my mixture. I'll just mix it. I don't want to bake my rack of lamb laying down, and I want to have a little art, so when I serve it, it's gonna look more appetizing and beautiful. So I'm gonna cut it into half. Now my 2 racks of lamb are smothered with my extremely simple apricot mustard glaze, and now I am going to interlock my 2 racks of lamb. I want to serve my racks of lamb with charred asparagus and a few wedges of sweet potatoes. So I'm gonna char this asparagus that will go with my lamb. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna put a little olive oil and sprinkle a little salt and a pepper. I am dropping few wedges of sweet potatoes on the side of the lamb, and it's gonna bake together, and the drippings of the lamb will glaze these sweet potatoes, and it's gonna pair good. Now my 2 racks of lamb smothered with my apricot mustard glaze are ready to go in the oven. I preheated my oven for 450 degrees, and I'm going to bake this for 20 minutes, and it's ready to go.